my prototype setup for our distilled water. This is a distiller, does 12 gallons per day of distilled water. I've got a feed line going into it that continuously fills it. It boils the water here, goes through several feet of cooling coil here, and drains into this tank, where currently it looks like we got about 22 gallons in there. It can hold 35, so plenty for, we'll have 5 guys go out some days. They all fill up their pots, and we never run out. At least once a week, I will drain what's remaining in this tank. I'll shut off the water supply and drain what's left in here. What remains in here, every day it boils away, the steam condenses into distilled. It leaves behind the contaminated water, basically. So when I drain this, I'll put it into this white bucket here, and usually I get some pretty nasty stuff out of here. Well, like I said, this is the leftover water from probably 4 days of boiling off 12 gallons a day. So this is what's left behind, which did not make it into the tank. So here's what I got out. I drained this, I think I drained this on Monday, and now it's Friday. So pretty much looks like orangey green water with quite a bit of debris, some scale left in the bottom. For comparison, I'll put some of the distilled water in there so you can see what that looks like in the tank. So that really has no color to it. No color to it at all. I've got these 2 bottles where I did one with tap water and one with distilled water, and had a few drops of baby shampoo in there. I don't know if they'll show on camera, but the tap water has formed some precipitates in here. They look like little gelatin pieces floating around in it. It's been in there for over a week, and the distilled water is completely clear of anything. There's nothing floating around in there at all. Another thing I noticed between the two is because the distilled water has no hardness to it at all, no calcium is or any other minerals are in that water, it soaks up very quickly and very easily. I'm going to try to do a slow-mo to see if it shows the difference. So see a difference here in the bubbles that formed in the tap water here, which not even making it to the top. It looks like most of them are starting to go away already, versus the distilled, which has like very, very fine bubbles that fill the container right away. In fact, you can't even, if you shake this one, you can shake this one several times to try to get the soap to fill it, to fill up the bubbles to fill to the top. This one, you know, it's like one shake and it's there. No, it won't shake now. Okay, I hope that's what you wanted me to show you. Let me know if there's something else you wanted me to check for you.